This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 24th, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.45 points or 0.11% to 400.71. Total trade volume was down with 37,461 shares changing hands at a total value of 221.9 million real or approximately $55,400. On the main board, 4 stocks were up. Leading the market was Pestec Cambodia, up 1.65% or 40 real to 2,470 real per share, followed by Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, which was up 0.93% or 20 real to 2,180 real per share. The other 2 stocks up were CamGSM and the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port. On the downside, 4 stocks were also down. The biggest loser of the day was the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which dropped 0.64% or 40 real to 6,200 real per share, followed by Grand Twins International, which was down 0.40% or 20 real to 5,020 real per share. The Phnom Penh Autonomous Port and Akleda Bank were also down. Only one stock, MJQ Education, remained flat. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering was down 0.49% or 10 real to 2,020 real per share, while JS Land stayed flat at 3,430 real per share. Akleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 19,500 shares changing hands at a total value of 134.7 million real or around $33,600, roughly 52% of total shares traded on December 24th. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with only 7,504 shares changing hands at a total value of 46.5 million real or $11,600, approximately 20% of Tuesday's trade volume. In other market news, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ released a disclosure notice informing its shareholders that the first coupon payment for the company's green bond has been transferred to all investors' accounts by a paying agent Wing Bank on December 23, 2024. A total payment amount of $326,715.01 for 410,000 bonds was distributed to shareholders. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,019 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was up to 108.16. Looking at global commodities, oil prices rose on Tuesday, reversing the prior session's losses, buoyed by a slightly positive market outlook for the short term, despite thin trade ahead of the Christmas holiday. Brent crude futures were up 42 cents or 0.6% to $73.05 a barrel. Analysts said they anticipated the benchmark prices would fluctuate around current levels in the short term as activity in paper markets decreases during the holiday season and market participants stay on the sidelines until they get a clearer view of 2024 and 2025 global oil balances. Gold prices gained in quiet holiday period trading while investor focus was on the U.S. Federal Reserve's rate strategy for next year and Trump's future tariff policies. Spot gold added 0.2% to $2,616.99 per ounce. U.S. gold futures was up 0.2% to $2,632.20. After aggressively cutting rates in September and November this year, the Fed persisted with cuts in December but hinted at fewer cuts in 2025. Technology stocks look set to be the stars of the festive season as U.S. markets were set for a muted open on Tuesday. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were down 4 points or less than 0.1%, S&P 500 futures were rising 0.1%, and Nasdaq 100 futures were gaining 0.2%. MicroStrategy and Palantir joined the Nasdaq 100 on Monday. Markets look set to replicate the pattern from the previous day when gains in technology companies drove equity indices higher. Artificial intelligence appears to still be a favored theme for investors. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 24th.